Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving into 10 delicious Valentine's Day catering ideas perfect for couples, whether you're hosting a romantic dinner for two, a Galentine's get-together with friends, or a bigger celebration with loved ones. Let's start with the first slide, which sets the stage. Valentine's Day is all about showing love through food, right? It's not just about the meal itself, but the moments it creates. Now, moving on to the next slide, we've got the best Valentine's Day party catering ideas broken down into a few categories. Catering menu selection, table setting inspiration, dessert display ideas, and heart-shaped mini pizzas. Let's start with those mini pizzas. They're adorable, customizable, and perfect for a casual, interactive vibe. You can go classic with margarita, add some pepperoni for meat lovers, load up on veggies for vegetarians, or even get gourmet with truffle oil and prosciutto. Imagine a buffet-style setup where everyone can grab their favorite slice and chat. Super fun! Next up, the chocolate fondue station. Oh, this is a sweet one. Melted chocolate paired with strawberries, marshmallows, pretzels, pound cake, biscotti, macarons, or churros. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. And you can offer dark, milk, and white chocolate with toppings like crushed nuts, sprinkles, or shredded coconut. It's a great way to slow down and savor the moment together. Then there's the Valentine's Day charcuterie board. Now, charcuterie boards are always a hit, but for Valentine's Day, you can add a romantic twist. Think cured meats, cheeses, fresh and dried fruits, nuts, and maybe some heart-shaped crackers or chocolates. Arrange it all on a wooden board with a few fresh roses for decoration. Simple but elegant. Fourth on the list, red velvet cupcakes. These are the ultimate romantic dessert with their deep red color and creamy cream cheese frosting. Top them with edible glitter or small chocolate toppers for a touch of sophistication and whimsy. They're perfect because they balance simplicity and decadence, great for any Valentine's celebration, big or small. Fifth, strawberry and chocolate-dipped fruit. This is a classic for a reason. Chocolate-covered strawberries are a must, but you can also dip pineapple slices, banana pieces, apple wedges, or grapes. Offer milk, dark, and white chocolate coatings with toppings like sprinkles, crushed nuts, shredded coconut, or even edible gold flakes. It's a healthy-ish option that still feels indulgent. Next, romantic cheese fondue. Rich and creamy cheese for dipping baguette slices, baby potatoes, vegetables, roasted mushrooms, apple slices, or asparagus tips. Options include Gruyere, cheddar, and brie with white wine or garlic for extra flavor. Serve it with candles or fairy lights for that intimate glow. So cozy. Seventh, the themed cocktail bar. Elevate your party with a love potion cocktail using fruity flavors and colorful mixers, garnished with heart-shaped stirrers or edible glitter. You can also offer pink champagne mimosas, strawberry daiquiris, raspberry cosmopolitans, or non-alcoholic mocktails for those who don't drink. It's a fun way to get creative and add a festive touch. Eighth, the customizable salad bar. For the health-conscious couples out there, this is a great option. Add heart-shaped croutons and fresh veggies. Let everyone build their own salad with their favorite dressings. It's light, fresh, and still fits the Valentine's theme. Ninth, mini heart-shaped sandwiches. These are cute and tasty bite-sized treats perfect for mingling. Fill them with turkey, ham, cheese, roasted vegetables, avocado and hummus, vegetarian, smoked salmon and cream cheese, chicken salad, or even Nutella and strawberries for a sweet option. They're easy to eat and look adorable on a platter. Last but not least, rose-flavored desserts. Add an elegant floral touch with options like rose macarons, tarts, cookies, rose water-infused cupcakes, or panna cotta with rose syrup. Display them on a decorated dessert table with fresh roses or petals. You could even set up a DIY station for guests to customize their own treats. It's a unique and romantic way to end the meal. So there you have it, 10 Valentine's Day catering ideas that are sure to make your celebration memorable. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.